Hey guys, it's a ToGA brother here. Guys, I just want to show you. I am here. Yes, it's legit. I have the receipt. Okay? You ready? We're going to do upside down. It's thick. I showed you. Okay? This is a Blizzard. But the one I'm going to show you guys, it's the peanut butter puppy dog chow. Okay? It looks like it's got vanilla in there. Some shavings of chocolate. Yeah, and I think I saw them squirt some peanut butter sauce, so we'll check it out. Okay?
Over there. Doesn't matter. We got the kid.
Okay, I can taste the peanut butter. It is chocolate shavings. It looks like it's got some crunchies in here. Like actual puppy chow. Which, guys, if you are familiar, they call them Muddy Buddies, right? On another brand. Full disclosure, Dairy Queen doesn't call them Muddy Buddies. They call them Puppy Chow. So, yeah, just make sure you keep that synonymous, right? They don't own the rights to that brand, okay? But it's the same thing, okay? It is vanilla ice cream, and as you guys can see, right? There is right there some peanut butter remnants of it, so they did mix it in there, okay? It almost tastes like Chex cereal in a Blizzard, which sounds weird, but guys, it works. This is really good. If you like Puppy Chow and you like chocolate, this is the one to go with, I'm telling you. Alright? This is a medium size. This is the size of my head. Okay? Size of my hand. It's about the size of my hand. Okay? It's really good. Check your local stores. They should have it. It's on the menu. Yeah, that's it, guys. This was the peanut butter puppy chow Blizzard. Alright? That's ToGA Brothers. Thank you all for watching. Go check out my other channels. I'm out.